Convertible seats are versatile child restraints that can be installed rear-facing or forward-facing. Parents need to use a convertible seat when their child has outgrown the infant seat but isn't old enough to ride forward-facing. A convertible seat can initially be installed rear-facing and used that way until your child is at least 2 years old. Before you install the restraint, make sure the harness straps are at or below your child's shoulders. Once your child exceeds the height or weight limit in the rear-facing position, the convertible seat can be turned around and installed in the forward-facing mode. At this point, you'll need to adjust the harness straps so they're at or above your child's shoulders. Be sure to use the top tether when the restraint is forward-facing, so it's properly secured to the vehicle and won't tip forward in a crash.